Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naisa Reddy coming at you with another exciting vlog. Today's focus adopting to healthier lifestyle while keeping things simple and sustainable. Oh, and quick update. My weight today is 74.90 kg. Progress takes time, but hey, every step counts, right? So stick around because this video is packed with tips, recipes, exercises, and my random adventures of the day. Let's get started with positive affirmation. I am healthy and full of energy. My body radiates strength and vitality. I am beautiful and confident. My inner glow reflects my outer beauty. Money flows to me effortlessly. I attract wealth and success with ease. I am grateful for my abundant life. I welcome joy and opportunities every day. I am healthy and I am full of energy. My body radiates strength and vitality. Money flows to me effortlessly. I attract wealth and success with ease. I am beautiful and confident. My inner glow reflects my outer beauty. I am grateful for my abundant life. I welcome joy and opportunities every day. And thank you so much for everyone in my life. I also wish everyone to be successful, happy, wealthy, and they should get everything they need. And I also wish I reach all my dreams, all my wishes, and also my mental stability. And I want my body to be stronger, healthier, and also reflect whatever I really want it to be. And I also want to be fit and so fit that I always expected myself to be. And I always wanted to reach my expectations. I always wanted to compete within myself. I don't want to compete with anybody else in the world. I am who I am. I can be whatever I want to be. I started my day with the positive affirmations because let's face it, if you want to change your body, you got to start with your mindset. So, and if you haven't tried this yet, trust me, it works wonders. And no, you don't have to chant it in front of the mirror unless you're going for the full Bollywood drama effect. Next up, I have got my morning drink, lemon water with dash of honey. It's so simple to make. Just warm a glass of water, squeeze off a lemon and add a tablespoon of honey. Voila, your detox drink is ready. This drink kickstarts your metabolism, aids digestion and helps with weight loss. Plus, it's way cheaper than those fancy detox teas or drinks you can see on Instagram influencers. But just saying, for breakfast, I kept it light yet filling brinjal sabji with chapati. And now I know what you're thinking. Brinjal really? But hear me out. This humble vegetable is powerhouse of nutrition, low in calories and super versatile. As for chapati, it's healthier alternative to rice and loaded with fiber. Quick pro tip, use whole wheat flour for extra nutrition while eating. I couldn't help but think about how this diet would work over the next month. The goal, shed those extra kilos while staying energetic. And yes, chair exercises are part of the plan, more on that later. But trust me, brinjal curry and chapati, it's really yummy. I couldn't stop with one chapati, but I had to control. I decided earlier itself and I made only one chapati as I was alone. My friends were also not there, nobody was there, so I decided to just have one chapati. And chapati I made with jeera, which is so good for digestion, and it helps me, and it also gives extra taste to that chapati, because every day having chapati is kind of boring, but I try to make it very interesting by mixing the batter or the you know chapati flour with either jeera or coriander leaves or sometimes methi. It all makes sense when you start having only chapati every day, because every day same dish actually kind of boring, but I made sure I'll do different styles of chapati. You might have seen my previous videos wherein I added coriander leaves to the chapati or methi to the chapati. It also gives more energy, taste, and also gives the taste of difference, right? Like yesterday also I had chapati, today also I had chapati, but this time I'm getting different kind of style, taste, and also I have energy to prepare all that. It feels so good to try chapati for so many days. And after breakfast, I took a quick break to throw out the trash. We have this designated dustbin near our apartment where the government vehicle picks it up. It's a small thing, but keeping our surroundings clean is just as important as staying healthy, right? Plus, it gave me an excuse to step outside and get some fresh air. While I was out, I noticed my scooter was running low on petrol. These days, I didn't take my scooty out at all. So I decided, okay, let me throw this trash first and then we'll go and pick it up or try to get some petrol. On the way, we'll also try to do some little bit of shopping for house. And after throwing, I noticed as scooter was running low on petrol, I made a quick pit stop at the petrol pump. You know how it is. Life isn't just about fitness, it's also about keeping your rides fueled up. After that, I swung by the supermarket to grab some milk because tomorrow's breakfast is going to be oats. Exciting stuff, I know. But hey, meal planning is the key. When you are on fitness journey, it is very important. And every day having chapatis in different style, yeah, it's kind of boring. So I wanted to try oats this time. And also it's actually sounds exciting. I control myself even after saying ice creams. And after that I reached back home. And also I'm planning for lunch. I whipped up some spinach curry and paired it with a chapati. Spinach is rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins. It's like a green superhero on your plate. Combine that with a wholesome of chapati, and you've got yourself a meal that's both delicious and gluten free. I mean, Popeye didn't eat spinach for nothing, right? By evening, it was time to burn some calories with chair exercises. If you haven't tried this, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Perfect for beginners, easy on the joints, and you can do it anywhere. I mean, what's not to love? And yes, I'll be tracking my progress, so stay tuned for updates. Let's see how this routine works over the next few weeks. I will be sharing everything and I will also be skipping the dinner. So I'll not be sharing what I'll be having for dinner as I'll be just drinking water. And that's the wrap for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching so far. Please subscribe, support, hit that like button, comment your thoughts. See you guys tomorrow. With love, Nisa. Toodles.